welcome back to another video. My name is Katherine Vargas and today we're going to be doing this two-tone cut crease. So I did do a little throwback here and I'm gonna go ahead and use the James Charles palette for today's look. I haven't used this palette in a very long time, or at least it feels like it's been a long time. So just a little throwback. This is what I created. We have a little bit of glitter in here as well, and then a little bit of a liner. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Before I do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a sub if you love makeup videos as much as I do. And without further ado, let's get into this makeup video.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off with two shades. One is Cola, the other one is Escape. I'm taking a Morphe JH40, I believe, brush and building the shade Escape on my inner corner, stopping halfway. Then I'm taking the Cola shade and I'm going to use this to wing it out because we are doing a full cut crease today. And I'm also blending this into the Escape shade. I am doing the tape method today because I just feel like it's been a while since I've done full cut creases and I just been struggling lately, so just to help me out I did apply some tape. Now the next two shades I'm taking is Skip and Pinkity Drinkity. I'm taking a more fluffier brush here and I'm just gonna start blending out this Escape shade with Skip, and then I'm taking Pinkity Drinkity to blend out the Skip shade. So it's gonna be a nice gradient look right here. Then to blend out the Cola shade, I am taking two shades as well. We're going to go in with Playground and Flashback. I'm starting off with Playground, making sure that I'm blending this into the Cola shade. And then because there wasn't a lighter blue, I decided to just go in with the white and just kind of create my own kind of blue just to smoke it out. Now we're going in with Spooky. This is gonna be right below the Escape and Cola shade. This is gonna help blend those two shades even more and just add some depth to this look. I'm taking some micellar water here and I'm just gonna start carving out this full cut crease, and just because I do have the tape, it makes it so much easier. Like, boom, I'm done. So this is just a little tip. And then I took the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo. This one's in their second to lightest shade. And like I said, guys, look at this tape method right here and boom, done. Like, this tape just tells me where to stop and it just helps me out so much here. So I decided to take the tape off really quick because I wanted to blend out the edges there. I didn't want to have that harsh concealer line. But then I went ahead and also am patting it down so that we set the concealer. I'm going in with Flashback and I'm going to put that all over the space, or I guess where the full cut crease is. Now I'm going in with a ColourPop Glittery Obsessed. This one's in Wish Me Luck. And I'm putting that all over where our full cut crease is, just to add a little pop. I just thought like the white was just too plain, so I decided to glitter it up. Now I decided I also wanted to do a wing liner, so I went ahead and put that tape back on. And I'm starting off by doing a reverse liner, so where the blue is, I'm doing a purple, and then where the purple is, I'm doing it blue. Does that make sense? Basically going the opposite of what is on my lid. So I went ahead and did that. Now we're working on the face. I did do some lashes. This is the Bomb Extension Lashes in Aldi. Now I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Marshmallow Primer. It smells amazing and it works really, really good for pores. For foundation, I'm taking the Rare Beauty foundation. This one's in the shade 240W and applying a generous amount. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my beauty sponge. So I've been into cream bronzers a lot lately, so I'm taking the Fenty Beauty cream bronzer in Honey Glaze, and I'm using an e.l.f. stippling brush to go ahead and bronze up my face. I feel like this year is the year of cream blushes and bronzers, and I am on that trend and I love it. Now for concealer, I'm taking the Rare Beauty in the shade 230N. And if you saw my last video, you know that I've been liking this. My last video kind of surprised me. I feel like it gave me a more brightening look effect than usual. Like I said, I don't know if it's because I tanned, but I wanted to go ahead and also use it for today's video. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out again with my Real Technique. But you can kind of see here what I'm talking about. It doesn't have full coverage, but I'm okay with that because I don't really have bags or dark circles or deal with stuff like that in the eye area at least. So yeah, it works perfectly for me. Now for powder, I am taking the Collab powder. This is something that I use in almost every single one of my videos ever since I bought it, which was literally months ago. So now that I think about it, I've had this powder for a very long time. It is just the best powder ever, and you can get this at Sally Beauty if anyone is interested. Now to bronze up my face, I'm taking the Hoola bronzer. This is from one of their palettes that they came out with, the 4-Scope. They did send it to me. It's basically a palette that is a combination of past products that they have, but it's so good for if you're traveling because everything's in one palette. So for blush, I'm taking the Pops of Roses Morphe Blush Trio, and I'm going in with that first shade and just blushing up my face. Is that even a saying or a word? I don't know. But yeah, just making my cheeks nice and rosy. So it's time to finish the eyes. I'm going with a ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. This one's in the shade Prance. Applying that to my waterline. LA Girl Cosmetics and ColourPop have the best eyeliners that I've ever tried, and they're so inexpensive. Now I'm taking the shade Escape, running that on the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to blend it out with Skip. Then I'm going to go into a fluffier brush and use the Pinkity Drinkity shade. Because we put that blue gel liner into the waterline, I wanted to keep the bottom lash line only purple because I didn't want it to like overpower. So that's what I end up doing. And then for mascara, I'm using the Roller Lash Mascara. This is the mini version. Applying a couple of coats to my bottom lashes. Then for lip liner, I used the KKW in new number 2. And then for lipstick, this is the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout. And that completes the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!